You read minds, but you go deaf. You can time travel, but you can only go back in time and you cannot interfere, only watch. You become the world's first trillionaire, but the first person that pops up when your click, share, and more gets all forms of cancer. You can freeze time, but you'll age twice as fast, even while time is frozen. You gain the ability to heal others, but you have to follow this account. Every time somebody asks you a question, you know the answer, but you will lose a random memory.